what does that make of Raul Manuel?
He is a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yes.
clear.
Ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA. So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang tinitingnan ko itong tao na ito. This is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines enjoying all the perks, enjoying everything, at the same time undermining this government. Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa itong tao na ito nung sabi na pinaganahan lang sila na papasukin daw yung ICC. Tuwa itong tao na ito. Talagang tuwang-tuwa siya na imbestigahan ako ng ICC. Tingnan natin ngayon, ikaw ang imbestigahan ko.
Kasi po napakalaki po talagang gains ng CPP, NPA, NDF that time. Kasi po, syempre, if you will talk about the indigenous people's welfare, matulog po yan kasi alam natin kung gaano po kahirap yung kabuhayan nila doon mismo. Particularly ang Talaingod na one of the largest ancestral domain and we want to protect their ancestral domain. And because of the Salupuan schools, because of their, of course, livelihood, etc. So, kayang i-manipulate ng CPP, NPA, NDF para makapag-recruit gamit ang mga kapatid nating katutubo. So, dahil dun sa campaign na yon, kung napapansin nyo, lahat, majority ng mga kabataan, nandun sa area namin. No? And it is, and I guess it is also, andyan din po si, si Kurt Russell Sosa, yung nagpipindot doon. Turo-turo na tayo, girl. Kurt Russell Sosa, Ugnay, PUP Journalism, Member LFS, National Secretary, Guerrilla Front 34, SRC 4, SMRC, surrendered noong 2020. Tapos kasama din po namin si Daniel De Losa, aka Axel, UP Diliman, BS Applied Physics, LFS, UP Diliman, Secretary Front 2, SRC 2, SMRC, surrender 2021, si Angeli Fortich, aka Amihan, UP Diliman, BS Chemical Engineering, Anak Bayan, UP Diliman, Political Instructor, Guerrilla Front 18, surrender 2020. Puro po sila. Dami nyo. And, si Raul Manuel po, so ito na yung kwento ko. Kapakagalitan ako ni Raul Manuel na ito. Giginhawa muna po ako. Disclaimer lang, hindi ko po nakita si Raul Manuel personally. However, ako po, kasama ko po si Eric Casilaw sa Sitio Balacayo, Barangay Namnam, San Fernando, Bukidnon. Kami po ang nag-facilitate ni Raul Manuel, kasama si Daniel De Losa, kasama ni Kurt Russell Sosa, kasama ni Angeli Fortich, basta marami silang kasama. 16 of them, noon, ko po yung may hawak ng recommendation letter nila. Kasi po yung harboring site namin ay ilang kilometro lang sa harboring site ng unit ko. Hindi po ako nandun physically sa unit ko dahil I was pregnant. So doon po ako sa regional headquarters pero napakalapit lang po namin sa kanila. So I facilitated them. Una natulog sila sa UCCP Haran and then kinabukasan doon sila dumaan sa barangay San Jose sa San Fernando, Bukidnon. Tama ba ko, 'di ba? Oh. Tapos dumaan sila sa Salog River. I-explain ko saan sa dumaan, baka sabihin niya hindi ko alam. Salog River, and then after many days, 5 days, nakarating sila sa range ng Sitio Bolo, Barangay Daguhoy, Talaingod, Davao del Norte. So umabot sila siguro ng siguro 2 weeks. Ang iba kasi deployment na eh. For example, si Kurt na deploy na siya sa ibang area. Yung iba, 2 weeks hanggang 1 month na nagstay sa unit namin mismo. At may mga kasamahan pa po ako na wala dito na they can attest na Raul Manuel is there.
So, what does that make of Raul Manuel?
He is a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So, member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yes.
clear. Coming from you, baka sabihin ni Manuel, na tuturuan kita. Law student ka ngayon, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng turuan. So, si Raul Manuel is a member of the
Communist Party of the Philippines.
Communist Party of the Philippines. Is that Raul Manuel, the same Raul Manuel that is
The Raul.
party list representative
Yes.
ng Kabataan? The same person?
Yes.
The same person?
Yes.
So, puro kasinungaling yung sinasabi niya na wala siyang koneksyon sa CPP, NPA, NDF.
Bala siyang buhay niya.
Ha? That's
Yes.
for the record, for the record.
Yes.
Puro
Yes, of
kasinungaling
course,
yan.
he will deny it. No, the same as what we did no nung nasa legal front organizations pa mi. We always deny because it is our responsibility to hide our identities na kami ay mga membro ng underground mass organization at members ng Communist Party of the Philippines.
So, for the record, just for the record,
For the record,
for the record, you are categorically
speaking that he is a member of the Communist
stating
Party of the
that Representative Raul Manuel of Kabataan Party List is a member of
Communist Party.
the
of
Communist Party of the Philippines.
Yes.
So very clear yan.
Yes,
So
Chair.
kung siya ay nagdi-deny, nagsisinungaling siya.
Yes.
Okay. Because that is your usual modus operandi to deny every time you're being asked.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Kate Traka, please, you have the floor.
Good afternoon, sir. In addition, sir, I also worked with Raul Manuel when he was the UP student regent in the University of the Philippines, and kasama ko siya, and we were recruiting for KM and for the Communist Party of the Philippines, and we facilitated yung NPA recruitment as well within the university. So I am sure he will deny this, my good old friend Raul and workmate. We worked within UP, no, within the Kumiting Tagapagpanap, no, ng UP. Yun yung mastermind ng recruitment sa UP. He as a student regent at the time, and me as the chairperson of Alay Sining, no. We planned and we implemented recruitment for the NPA. Kami yung nagpapatupad ng mga quota doon kung ilan yung NPA na dapat ma-recruit ng bawat chapter ng KM for each college, no, na meron sa UP. So kaya siya pumasok sa NPA Mindanao, no, kasi naman susunod yung mga tao sa kanya kung hindi siya nagpupunta doon, di ba? So the same with me kasi leader ako, so I had to go to NPA Mindoro. How can I recruit NPA kung ako nga ayoko, di ba? Siya, umuwi siya di ba? Hindi siya nagtuloy mag-NPA. Ako, nagtuloy ako. Pero okay lang naman kung i-deny niya. Kasi yun talaga yung gagawin niya, for sure. Kasi trabaho niya yun at nasa Congress siya. Pero ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth, and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA.
Yes, sir.
That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, we were
For the
planning,
record.
implementing recruitment programs, no, for NPA recruitment, sir.
So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang tinitingnan ko itong tao na ito. You know, this is we might be laughing right now, but for all we know, this is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines enjoying all the perks, enjoying everything, at the same time undermining this government, undermining the state.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa itong tao na ito nung sabi na pinaganahan lang sila na papasukin daw yung ICC. Tuwa itong tao na ito. Talagang tuwang-tuwa siya na imbestigahan ako ng ICC. Tingnan natin ngayon, ikaw ang imbestigahan ko. Ikaw ang imbestigahan ko. I will do all my parliamentary powers to pin you down. Sabihin na, tingnan natin. Ikaw pala talaga ay membro ng Communist Party of the Philippines, which is the partido of the New People's Army who is trying to destroy this government. Ganun pala talaga itong tao na ito. Tingnan natin. So, thank you for those revelations.
Yes.
I am being a Filipino, hindi ako pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin itong mga tao na ito. Hindi ito po pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin. Destroying the government from within the government. Papayag ba tayo nito? Papasukan tayo ng ganitong klase mga tao sa ating gobyerno? Granting na, provided by the Constitution, yung party list ay pwede sila mag-represent dyan. What they are doing right now is talagang kakasama ng ating bansa. And I am willing, I am dedicating my life for this fight. Nakapag-retire ako sa Philippine National Police. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang girang dinaanan ko with this NPA. Mga new people sa army nito. At sa awa ng Diyos nakapag-retire ako. Ngayon nagkapag-retire na ako, dito na hindi na ako ngayon makipaglaban sa inyo sa armed struggle. Dito ko kayo lalabanan sa inyong parliamentary struggle na sinasabi ninyo. Legal sa legal. Tingnan natin. Senador ako ngayon. Tingnan natin. Itong mga tao na ito, ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas eh. Ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas. To be frank about it. Sabihin man ninyo na sinira ko yung parliamentary courtesy. But my love for this country is above and beyond parliamentary courtesy. To be frank about it. Kumukulo ang dugo ko, nakikita ko itong patawa-tawa, pa-smile-smile. Oh. Yung pala'y anay pala ito nagsumisira ng ating lipunan. Diyos ko, bakit meron tayong ganyang mga congressman? Sige, continue. Sinong gusto magsalita?
Sir.
Ha? Hindi pala tapos. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Na-high blood kasi ako eh. Sige, pasensya ka na. Please continue.
Na-high blood na din ako sa loob. So yun po, no, lumabas sila and then after that, sila lang po yung sila po yung mga, yun nga, napakarami kong sinabi kanina mga estudyante, nagpapakita lang po yun, napapatunay lang yun, no? It's an objective basis na may efforts talaga, napakalaki talaga yung efforts ng CPP, NP, NDF na mag-recruit po sa mga kabataan. Kasi sila yung nagiging second liners para maging politiko and military cadre.
Hindi mo nagtanong si Raul Manuel na ano kaya, sir, kung ikaw na lang mag-armas, lumabang ka doon sa bundok, bakit kami pang nire-recruit ninyo? Hindi nyo sabihan yan.
Nauna po kasi ako sa kanya.
Nauna ka sa kanila?
Nauna ako sa kanya.
Ibig sabihin, mas senior ka sa kanya?
Opo.
Thank you.
Ang mga kabatch niya po, si Kate Raka. Kaya si Kate po yung kanina nag-explain regarding kay yung mas malalim na participation ni Raul Manuel.
You mean to say, kabatch mo siya?
Yes, sir. We were, magsabay kami nag-student council and nung naging student regent siya sa UP, I was also operative ng CPP sa UP. So parehas kami nag-ooperate under the same committee. And then, actually, bago ako mamundok, ay nagpaalam ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, Raul, mag-NPA na ako sa Palawan. Paalam lang ba? As a friend. Tapos, kasi, baka ma-convince ko siya na mag-NPA din. And he told me na he's planning to be a part of the Congress sa KPL. So, we went our separate ways. But, we had the same goal, no? Recruitment pa rin, no? Bigger pool for the NPA. So, ito si Raul, hindi niya choice to mag-NPA. Pero, he's part the body na nagre-recruit for the NPA. So, there's that truth na kasama ako at yung iba pang mga kabataan na sumunod sa akin ay recruited under the influence of the same party list, sir. Kasi yung Anak Bayan, Alay Sining, LFS, sila yung organizations na founding organizations ng Kabataan Party List. Anak Bayan, League of Filipino Students, Alay Sining, and other organizations na affiliated sa left-wing red. No, yan yung youth, no, ay founding members ng Kabataan Party List. And it's true na under their influence, no, ay maraming batang nare-recruit into the NPA. And I was one of them. Si Raul, siguro mas masaya sa Congress.
So, talaga mas masaya doon. Masaya siya doon. But anyway, yun nga. Grabe palang ginagawa itong mga tao na ito. with your revelations, I would like to thank you. With your revelations, the more na I am emboldened to move for the kung pwede lang i-scrap yung party list system na yan para mahinto na yung pakikialam ng mga CPP dito sa ating kongreso. Yan na nagiging free ticket nila yan yung party list system para pumasok sa kongreso. But anyway, since it is provided for in our constitution, wala na tayong magawa dyan. Ang habulin ko na lang na ma-amend itong party list system na itong mga makakaliwa na nagre-recruit ng kabataan papunta sa armadong New People's Army ay talaga maharang ito ng kumilik itong kanilang yung party list nila. Dapat maharang talaga ito. Hindi po pwede itong pabayaan natin ito. Talagang gagawa natin, hanapan natin para na ma-amend yung party list system law. I think I would like to solicit the support of my very good friend here, colleague Senator Tolentino, na maayos natin itong Party List System Act na hindi na makapasok itong mga tao na sumisira ng ating lipunan.
Totally agree, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Tolentino.